This video shows you how to clear selection in your sheet using the action Clear All Selections. To do it, click the Edit Sheet button. In Sheet Properties, click Actions and then click the Add Action button. In the Action drop-down menu, select Clear All Selections. You can overwrite locked selection by ticking the checkbox. In this way, also the locked selection will be removed. As an example, we make some selection in the first sheet and then we lock it. In the second sheet, we make other selections. Now, opening the sheet in which we have added the Clear All Selection action, all the selection will be removed. Using this action saves times compared to manually deselecting individual selections and ensures that the data being displayed is consistent across all sheets in the app. This helps avoid confusion or misinterpretation of the data. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.